I'm going to show you how to stop emails going to spam in Gmail. I'll start with mail that's already been caught in your spam folder, then set up your account so it stops happening, and after that I'll fix the sending side. I'm clicking spam in the left sidebar. If you don't see it, hover over more and it shows up in the expanded list. Now that spam is open, I'm scanning the list for anything legitimate. Before I open a message, I check the sender address because this folder is where phishing messages hide and they often look exactly like a real company. I'll click the message to open it. The full sender address appears at the top, and this one is genuinely from the domain it says it's from. With that confirmed, I'm clicking Report Not Spam in the top toolbar. Gmail immediately moves it back to the primary inbox and trains its filter to treat future mail from this sender as legitimate. I'm going back into spam now because I make a habit of checking this folder every few days. Gmail deletes messages after 30 days, so a real message can disappear before you ever see it. Now I'm going to keep this sender out of spam for good. I'm opening the same email from the inbox. I'm hovering over the sender's name at the top of the message. The contact card opens and I'm clicking Add to Contacts. That gives Gmail a strong signal, but it only covers this one address. So I'm clicking the three-dot menu at the top right of the message and choosing Filter Messages like these. The From field is already filled with this sender's address. I'm going to widen it to include the whole domain. I'm deleting everything before the @ sign and typing example.com so any address from that organization is covered. I'm clicking Create Filter. On the next screen, I'm checking the box for Never Send It to Spam, then clicking Create Filter again. Gmail applies that rule immediately. Now I'm working on the sending side because your own outgoing mail can also end up in someone else's spam. I'm clicking Compose in the top left to open a new message. The sender mistake that causes the most spam complaints is mailing people who never asked for it. I'm typing in a recipient that came from a sign-up form, not a purchase list. Sending to people who didn't opt in creates spam complaints, and those complaints destroy your domain reputation. I'm going to open Google Contacts in a new tab to check list hygiene. I'm going through the contact list, selecting people I haven't emailed in over 6 months, invalid addresses, and hard bounces, then clicking Delete. Sending to dead addresses tells Gmail your list is stale. This part is boring, but it's why some senders never get delivered. I'm opening Google Postmaster Tools in another tab. This is where I check my domain's spam complaint rate and reputation before I send anything important. If the complaint rate is high, Gmail's filters are already suspicious of the whole domain, and no subject line will fix that. Now I'm going back to the Compose window and writing a subject line. I'm typing order confirmation for Sarah, not 100% free offer, because all caps and aggressive sales phrases trip the filters. In the body, I'm keeping one link and actual text, not an image-only message. Filters treat link-heavy and image-only mail as suspicious. Now I'm going to check my sending domain's authentication records. I'm opening the DNS settings at my domain registrar. I'm confirming SPF includes the sending service, DKIM has the right selector, and DMARC is set to at least quarantine. Those 3 records prove the mail is really from your domain, and without them Gmail will send you to spam. Now that the filter is in place, I'm clicking the gear icon, then See All Settings, then Filters and Blocked Addresses. The rule we just created is listed here, and this is the first place I check when a sender still lands in spam, because one mistyped domain breaks the whole filter. I'm also opening a test message for my sending address and clicking the 3-dot menu, then Show Original. If the SPF, DKIM, and DMARC lines don't say pass, that's the reason it's landing in spam. If this saved you a missing email, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same fix.